Okay, this is just to remind you of how you did this. So first thing we want to talk about is you went into Sports Engine, you download the rosters from the governing season, you created this spreadsheet, you posted those rosters here, so you can see that there. So it's basically, let's get to the top here. Last name, first name, birth, team birth. And took out whatever you didn't need. This is what you really only need for the next piece. Then you made a tab called Update. That's where I put all those pieces. I believe there's a hidden tab. That's called Master, where I got that all from. So you could just download everything and then made an update that just includes the pieces you need. Again, those pieces that we need are first name, last name, date of birth, team, gender, role. And then you brought bring teams over for column B here. These are these would be previous year names. These are updated names for this year. Some changed. Then I went in here and I put what cells from the update. So from here. So like what I basically did is I sat here. I'll give you a good example. Ajax was the one that I messed with, used as my template. I highlighted these. I right clicked. I saw there was 13. So then I that's how I came up with the 13 here, and also how I came up with where I'm going to pull the cells from. What cells I'm going to pull from. Okay, so that explains all that. So then you go here, and I built this template, and I'm using this template, and I'm just making new copies. I just made Freeburg, however you say that. In this cell is where the import is. Here I went in and put in the values. It brought them down. I'm going to go back and check my count. I need 16, so that's the numbers I put into there. I need 16, and I can see that the top line doesn't count, and I have 16, so that's a check. Then I close this out, take this, not that, take the template, come over here, File, make a copy. I'm going on to my next team. I'm going to get rid of this part, and I'm doing Lee Summit Arsenal, and this time it's boys 2010. Hit OK. Go into the roster when it pops up. There it is, roster. Click on the second cell. This sells all the titles of the columns. Come in here. Find the cell range. This needs to be from my list 283 to going to 297. And then it should populate the new team. I checked Arsenal boys. Arsenal boys looks good. I should have 16. Go back here. May want to print this off. Printer's not cooperating as always with my printer. 15. And I have 15 because remember 16 is without that title. So that's a check. Close that and then begin again. This Arsenal is a newer team, so I'm leaving this open so I have it to establish for the other new teams I have this year.